Okay, this is going to be part 4 of whatever this series is called, or whatever I'm going to call it. And I am going to go outside. Yes, I am going to go outside. Hold my phone please for a minute. I gotta readjust the flashlight. Alright, I'm going out. Let's go, guys. I'm going out. This will be the last clip. This will be the last part.
Sucked up into the suck zone. Is that what it's called?
The suck zone.
The suck zone. Don't get into the suck zone. See that movie?
Yep, Twister.
Oh, maybe.
Bill. Here, can you give me? Bill Paxton, you truly are a legend. You really are a true legend of tornado chasing. You're the king of storm chasing. That's what you are. All right.
Well, I think he was. Did he die?
Well, that was a memory of Bill Paxton. A memorial.
So that's in honor of him.
In honor of Bill Paxton, the legendary tornado chaser.
Maybe
Yes.
we'll go out running inside, find a pole, and then end up holding on to it so tight, and then a tornado comes over us, and then we go upside down, flying up in the air, and then we go back down when it's done. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go see the movie.
Yep.
And I may have just spoiled it for you guys, so I'm so sorry.
Well, in the description down below, I'm going to put a spoiler in it. I'm going to put a spoiler alert. Yeah, spoiler alert. Yeah. I mean, whenever I'm excited, sometimes I talk fast, and I truly apologize about that. So, but with that being said, we're going outside right now.
Well,
let's do it.
More like you are. We're not, but you are.
Well, I'm going outside. All right. All right. All right. If I hear my shoes are wet. Yep, coming. Yeah?
Take everything out of here. Put it inside the house.
Alright. Okay, got the chairs, and I made a mistake of coming outside with my shoes on. So, oh my God, guys.
Around this way. Around to your left.
Going to my left? Yeah, okay. Yeah, look at this. See that there? It is.
Excuse me. Go inside like I told you to do.
Sorry about that. I will.
I've got to get the generator.
Yep.
Got a lot of crap to do tonight. I don't have time to screw around.
Yep, I understand perfectly. I understand perfectly. See that, guys? That is the power of wind, of a tornado, and oh my God, our truck. Oh my God. Oh, our truck. I may do another part of this. Who knows? Okay, I'm not gonna screw around no more. I'm gonna go inside and do what Dad says, and this time put on boots. Ah, this is a big mistake. Oh man. Oh. Okay. Let's go inside. Alright. Okay. No, Bunny, you stay inside right now. Okay. I'm gonna put on shoes real quick and put on my boots and I'll go outside. Yep, I saw police not too long ago. Hey, can you feel me? Can you feel me?
On what? Your phone? Where's your phone?
It's right here.
Oh, is it on?
Yeah, it's on. Yeah, it's recording.
I'm chewing gum so it calms me.
Can you get the light? I have decided to change into my boots because I walked outside.
Let's just look at his new shirt that he got yesterday. Let's look at something else other than this great crazy stuff that was going on. There was a deal at Hot Topic for like buy one get one free, and so I got this Alice in Wonderland skirt, which she is one of my most favorite characters of all time. And Tom's got this shirt for free. I got it on it, which is pretty cool.
Alright, I'm gonna go outside and film some more. Alright, I'm gonna go outside now. Let's do this. Okay, I got my boots on. And let's, these boots that I'm wearing, they are Gore-Tex. The kid in the blue van? Gotcha. Ow! Nobody, stay. Stay. Blue keep.
What are you guys doing now?
Okay. Alright. Yeah, our truck is gone. Our truck is gone because of this big huge daddy right there. Oh my god, look at this.
The damage that we had was the red truck.
Yeah, look at this. Our truck is gone.
That would help if we had homeowners insurance. So,
Oh, our... Look at this. Look at the crash. Look at the glass.
Don't dunk your truck and chop up this stuff and get the electric turned on at some point. It's like a war zone right here. I'm on the porch,
Yep.
and Thomas, please come in here.
Sorry.
And
I'm just...
right on top
Okay, did you see that?
of the front of the house.
Okay, guys, there's going to be another part
Yeah.
of this. So I will see you in the next part. I think this is part 4 of exploring what's going on. There's a couple people down there, and I will film more stuff later on in the future. So yeah, that's it for now. Goodbye.